hibiscus has anti-aging properties.
Uh-huh.
So for all the persons getting older, you know, you don't want your age to show. Go hibiscus. You know, drink the tea, use it in your skincare, incorporate it as much as possible as you can in your lifestyle.
Hey guys, well, let's see here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Continuing to look at the amazing medicinal plants of Jamaica. Stopping now at the hibiscus. Yes, another popular one with a whole range of health benefits. And I have an expert with me. Her name is Saneka Hibbert, a student of this plant. She's going to tell us what exactly is hibiscus, what is it good for, and how it can benefit you. First up though, I want to make a special shout out to my Kingston peeps, people in Kingston. I'm here, I'm at Hope Gardens. I almost said Hope Zoo. Hope Gardens in Kingston. So special shout out to you and all my ardent subscribers. If you though, it's brand new, meaning you're here for the first time, I say welcome. Good to have you. I'm on a journey to share what I call the real Jamaica, the real people of Jamaica, the real products of Jamaica, the real attractions of Jamaica. Everything unique about this beautiful island. I don't want you to miss any of that. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you now to pause and hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell notification, and that way you'll see updated on all my latest videos. Let's go! So, this is she, guys. Saneka, how are you?
I'm doing great.
Awesome. Good to be here in Kingston.
Yes,
thank
welcome.
you for the invitation. Hibiscus, we're looking at hibiscus. And I want to ask you, first of all, I assume somebody don't have any clue what hibiscus is. Tell them, what is hibiscus?
So hibiscus is a very popular plant in Jamaica. It's a very exotic plant because of its colors. Now, if you've never seen a hibiscus plant, this is what hibiscus is. It has these bright red flowers, sometimes pink, sometimes light pink. And you know, growing up in country, approximately every yard have a hibiscus plant.
True.
So that's a signature country look, a hibiscus plant. The hibiscus flower is one of those flowers that is always referenced in like your human and social biology book when they're doing like a dissecting and showing you different parts on the plant. The hibiscus flowers is what it is often used. So I have my friend here. Come, Shaquill. Alright, so this is Shaquill now.
Hi, Shaquill. And this is a hibiscus girl.
Right? This is a hibiscus.
She's a hibiscus?
Yes.
Or the flower is the hibiscus?
Yes. Yes.
She looks pretty like the hibiscus.
Yes,
Big up. Alright, so, and I should say, actually, we had a lot, guys, some of you know I'm from the country parts, I mean from Westmoreland. We had a lot of hibiscus. My grandmother used hibiscus like as a hedge.
Yes.
In the yard, you know. So that's how we use hibiscus. But I'm understanding now that hibiscus is much more than just the beautiful flowers going around. It has a lot of health benefits.
It does.
Tell us what, from your experience, what we typically use it for, apart from decoration. Yeah.
Well, for me personally, the hibiscus plant is one of those things that we use to clean our shoes.
Shoe black?
Yes.
Who remember shoe black?
Yes.
Type shoe black in the comment right now.
Primary school, you know, you're going home, you know, you can't go home look dirty. You're trying to look prim and proper going home. So we used to get the hibiscus plant, specifically this part, the red part, and we take it on our shoes and rub it, and it gives us a nice shine black look. So
I never use, to be honest, I know about it, but I can see I never really use it. So it actually works?
It does.
You use it?
Yes, man. Yes, man. Go home dirty like Chuck from school, you know. You don't want to put yourself in that position. So you clean up and go home and look nice.
What's your name again?
Shaquill.
You use it too?
No, I've never used it before, but I've heard that you can clean up the shoes.
The older folks use it.
Yes.
Alright. So tell me now, ladies, what do you know of the health benefits? You are studying to some extent, both of you, but you have been a student of this plant. I mean, you found it interesting and decided to study it. What have you learned about hibiscus and its health benefits?
So hibiscus has some analgesic properties, so it can help with pain relief. So for females, you know, who struggle with, you know, bad menstrual cramps like myself, right, what the hibiscus plant does when you make the tea and drink it, it relaxes the uterus. So, you know, so that
Okay.
alleviate the pain a little bit. So,
Awesome.
Another property of hibiscus for females who are struggling with menopause, you're probably going through menopause too early. So hibiscus, it promotes phytoestrogen, which increase estrogen levels, which prevents menopause, early menopause. So that's a great plus to the hibiscus tea. So you have to drink the tea to get all of those nice benefits.
You, Saneka, you drink, you just use it on your shoes, right?
Yeah, I use it on my shoes.
You never really
but
drink the tea back then.
as an adult, right? So as an adult, I start drinking the tea because it helps to relax you. It helps with anxiety. It helps you to sleep better. It also lowers your blood sugar. So for persons who are diabetic, this is a very good tea to incorporate into your diet.
How do you make the tea? I'm curious.
All right, so I purchase they sell them as tea bags, right? And you just throw in hot water if you want a hot beverage.
So let's say I'm a countryman, everybody know that. But I this is what I'm used to this year.
Okay.
So do you know how to, is it the leaves you use or the flower?
The flower, and you'll dry them.
Oh, the flower.
Alright,
Okay,
yes.
all right.
So the dry hibiscus plant looks like this.
All right.
Right,
Hold
so-
it up a little bit more so you
Okay.
can see it. Okay. All right. So this is some dry one she's showing me
Right.
here, guys.
Right?
Let me get it a little better for you.
Yeah, are we good?
Yes.
All right.
So that's a dry flower.
Right. And so this is what you would use to make the tea. So if you don't purchase it but you have the dried, you can just make it like a normal tea bag.
Okay.
Throw hot water on it
And just steep it a little bit
and steep it a little bit. And if you
drink it.
want a cold beverage, you can throw cold water on it, leave it in the fridge overnight, and you get a nice cold beverage the next day. So it's
All
very
right.
great.
I want you to pick up one of the flower and show off for me. So this here. So this is it. Oh, well, actually.
Yeah.
Where are we going so far? She has one here. This is it. So these are some beautiful petals.
Yes.
Hold on. Is it the petal they call it? The leaves?
Yes, these are the petals.
Okay, yeah. Oh, my biology teacher would not be proud of me if I didn't get that right. So those are the petals and that little piece in the middle there.
Yes, this is the pollen part. Right?
Oh, so that is
This is
for
where
reproduction.
the insects go and they come on here and then they spread the pollen and produce more hibiscus. Yes.
Hibiscus. Do you know so it's kind of grow all year, right? As far as I know.
Yes,
And
yes.
it should be easy to grow for the most part.
Yes.
Like a regular flower.
Yeah, man.
I have some questions for you, ladies.
Okay.
You guys, online, you know me. I'm not gonna have them go without asking some questions to share with you. Some of the popular questions about hibiscus. One, I think you alluded to it earlier, but again, I'm gonna ask the question just as how my peeps are asking them. One,
Right.
does hibiscus make you sleep?
Yes, it does. As I said before, it's a relaxer. It helps you to sleep better, especially if you mix it with like lavender. It's very good. It helps to relieve anxiety, and just make you feel better.
Does hibiscus reduce belly fat? Don't tell me that's what you use. You don't know. You don't.
It does. And because it's a 0-calorie drink, so it tastes very good, and you can enjoy it all day, every day without worrying about you putting on weight or you storing fat where it's not supposed to go. So it does help to reduce belly fat if you substitute it for like sugary drinks.
Is hibiscus good for detox?
All right, so hibiscus is very great for detox because of the purifying properties of hibiscus. It cleans up your liver, whatever toxins that are inside your body, it draws it to it and flushes it out. So yeah, man, hibiscus is very great for detoxing. Yes. Yeah, you should. It's very great.
Does hibiscus tea stain teeth?
If you drink hibiscus tea every day, of course, the properties that it have a little property in it which can stain the teeth, but nothing that the toothpaste cannot remove. So just brush your teeth regularly, guys, if you're going to drink the hibiscus tea
Every day.
brush your teeth
regularly?
regularly if you're going to drink the hibiscus tea every day.
Okay, cool. Another question for you,
Sure.
Miss Saneka. Can a diabetic person take hibiscus tea?
Definitely. And as I said before, it's 0-calorie, 0 sugar, so it's a very great substitute for diabetic persons. However, if you are on medication, diabetes medication, you should definitely go to your doctor and allow him or her to advise you if you should go ahead and drink hibiscus or not.
And actually, bring me to our next question. Another timely question is: are there any? Are you, from your experience and your knowledge, studying this plant? Are there any side effects? Are there any? Is there any side effects of drinking hibiscus tea?
Not to my knowledge, but you know, everything is done in moderation. And as I said before, if it is that you are on diabetes medication and you want to substitute it for whatever reason, definitely go to your doctor and ask your doctor, is this okay for me to do or is it not okay?
My viewers are asking the question. These persons look fairly young. What they know about hibiscus? Tell them, Saneka. I'm gonna ask. Tell them now why they should. What qualifies you to talk about hibiscus?
Well, so growing up, I grew up with my grandmother. Love herbs, bushwoman, right through and through. You know, you grow up in country, so every little thing that happens, you know, she always say, go pick this a bush here, try this, try that, you know, etc., etc. So I believe from growing up, I had it in me to always be researching herbs. So I'm a chemical engineer. I've always been intrigued by plants and the benefits that plants have to us. I do believe in going natural as much as possible. Never a fan of medicine, like, you know, those traditional medicines, or the ones the ones that are made from chemicals. So I always been intrigued, and you know, doing research, I came upon hibiscus and I was impressed. And then I started trying it for myself, you know, doing the tea, doing skincare products, which we'll talk about later. And the benefits have been amazing, you know. Important too is that hibiscus has anti-aging properties. So for all the persons getting older, you know, you don't want your age to show, go hibiscus. You know, drink the tea, use it in your skincare, incorporate it as much as possible as you can in your lifestyle. So
cool. All right, so you sound like you know your stuff. Come man, give them a thumbs up for me now, guys. Give them a thumbs. She's giving herself a thumbs up. give them a thumbs up. They know that stuff. Young persons, you know, studying this amazing plant here, and now we're sharing all of that amazing, all of these wonderful health benefits with you. You mentioned, did you say skincare or?
Yes, I did say skincare.
It's skin or here?
Skin.
Skincare.
Yes.
Okay. Skincare. You say it's good for anti-aging, meaning.
Yes.
What does it do to the skin?
All right. So you know, the hibiscus plant has what is known as antioxidants. What antioxidants do is that it helps to slow down aging. Whatever damage that is being done on the skin, it helps to purify the skin and it helps to slow it down, which is why it is extremely great for skincare.
Okay, and we're gonna segue. They actually have a line of products, guys. So they're not joking, you know. They're serious.
Yes, we're very serious.
They're talking about hibiscus. They're serious about it. They have made some products from hibiscus. I'm gonna share some of it. Let's share with my viewers what you have. What are some of the products you have?
All right, so
that you use hibiscus
so
as a core ingredient.
Hibiscus as core ingredients. We have our facial infusion serum, herbal infusion serum, sorry. And so this is basically a blend of jojoba oil, pumpkin seed oil, turmeric and tea tree oil. Important though are the herbs that are infused in it. This is what makes this facial serum so effective in fighting against aging, in unmoisturized skin, acne, breakout, hormonal breakout. She used our facial serum. You know, she's actually a very heavy user of products.
She look pretty too.
Yeah, she's very beautiful. So yeah, infused in this is our hibiscus plant, and as I said before, it has anti-aging properties. You know, you're getting older, but you don't always want your age to show. So yeah,
perfect solution.
It's a perfect.
Okay,
solution.
well, I'm so proud. Is that the only one you have?
No, I actually have two. So this is our calendula and hibiscus hydrating toner.
I want them to some master. I
Alright.
Break it
So-
down. Break it down for people like me.
So the toner is this product that helps to hydrate your skin. You know, you probably have a long day. It keeps you feeling refreshed right throughout the day, and it helps again to reduce your wrinkles, the appearance of wrinkles, shrink your pore size. So key ingredient in this again is the hibiscus.
Awesome.
You know, so it's like doubling down on the aging process.
Awesome,
Yes.
awesome. Proud of you young ladies, and if people are interested in learning more about hibiscus and your study of hibiscus and the products that you're making from hibiscus, is there a way they can reach you?
Yes, definitely. I am on Instagram at Black Gold, and it's BLXC_gold. You can also reach out to me via WhatsApp, and the number is 876-337-8733.
All right, number is also on screen, guys, and additional numbers are in the description below as well. Make sure you reach out to them and give them some love and some support. Is there anything else you want to mention to my viewers? They're watching. This person now is watching you from UK, watching you from the US, watching you from Canada. Proud of you young ladies and what you're doing, utilizing some of these original, traditional Jamaican plants that our parents and foreparents have used in home remedies.
Yes.
Proud of you that you're taking it now to a next level, and that you're putting it now where the world is able to utilize, get the benefits of these plants in your products. Thank you so much.
Our grandparents were right. This is the solution.
All right. Saneka and Shaquill, guys, and the hibiscus. Wow, so proud of the two young ladies, man, taking a traditional plant to a different level. Actually, I want you to know, if you're proud of them as I am, go to the comment section and put proud right now. Yes, man, big them up. Say proud right now. Not proud right now, but proud. Put proud in there. Also, there's another video I need you to take a look at. It is a little bit amateurish, as you know, I did it a while back, but I need you to see it. It's another amazing plant found right here in Jamaica. It's called the duck flower. In the description and in the card above. See you in that one.